Lele, it's Seal
and Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes,
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Awesome, thank you.
Alright, clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai, it's a happy face. Fie fia.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a horse. Horsey.
Clue tuatoru, our final clue, is sitting right next to us and it's a sound. Do you know what the sound is? Ai ka pai, it's jingling, which is Lulu. We have all 3 clues. We have a happy face, fie fia. We have a horse, horsey. And we have jingling, Lulu.
Oh, I know what we're going to sing. We're going to sing a Tongan Christmas carol, Lulu Bear.
That's right, Lulu Bear is the Tongan version of Jingle Bells, which I'm pretty sure you'll know Jingle Bells. So grab your bells, we're going to jingle them away, and I want you to remember and listen out for these 3 words. What was it again? Fie fia, horsey, and Lulu.
I'm going to count to toru and let's go have a sing-along together. Tahi, rua, toru.
Tau heka fia fia ma vava mo hiva ai ngahi hiva oi poni. Lulu pe ai ngahi whawhango. Tau fia fia mo hakai langi tau ki he tau alo. Io lulu pe ai ngahi whawhango. Mea whakalata e ne ata mai ki a ki tau tolu. Ka whakaholo I he sino Moi hosi oku neto Whakai hi whuki he ngahi whei tupu Ka kata pe mo tau alo I he tā mai ai lali Iki mo whakalangi langi Tau he ka fia fia ma wapa mo hiva ai ngahi hiva oi poni Io lulu pe ai ngahi whawhango Tau fia fia mo hakai langi tau I he tau alo Io lulu pe ai ngahi whawhango Mea whakalata e ne ata mai Ki a ki tau tolu Dashing through the snow On a 1-horse open sleigh Over fields we go Laughing all the way Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a 1-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a 1-horse open sleigh. Mea whakalata e ne ata mai, ki a ki tau tolu.
Cool, that was so much fun, and I love that our friends joined us for that song.
That was so much fun, jingling our bells while riding on the sleigh.
Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara, it's time to remember those 3 Tongan words that we learned at the beginning. Here's the first one. Starts with the sound fie, happy.
Our second one starts with the sound horsey, horse.
And our last one starts with the sound Lulu, jingle. Yay, we hope you enjoyed our Tongan version of Jingle Bells, Lulu Bear. You can play that as much as you like. Let's go sing our goodbye song together.
Goodbye everybody.
sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my Mom and Auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes. Go, 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 go.